This guy told me, F you. And you know what I did? I laughed. I was like, wow, thanks. Thank you. It took me 1,000 calls to get my first F you. And you know what? That means you're trying. That means you're waking up in the morning. That means you're shaking things up. That means you're trying to get something. There's an expression I love, which is, some will, some won't, so what? Next. And you know what? Some will say, F you. I had a few people be kind of mean, but I had one big F you and I loved it. And it's funny because I really did the math and it was 1,000 calls. But in those 1,000 calls, which took me about a week to do, I also got a listing. So I was like, listen, if I can get one FU and one listing, great. That means, please bring me the next FU so that my next listing is coming up next. You know what I mean? So when they come, laugh it out. Here's the thing. Those people, and people in general, when they get angry, they're going through something in their mind or in their life. So have compassion for them. You know what I mean? Instead of resentment, compassion. They might be going through something. And if they don't hang up after they give you the FU, even better, because you can help them. That's one way to look at these people. They're struggling. They're trying to sell something. They need some sort of service. They need you. And you can be their hero. You can help them. You can change their life, their situation. So if they're annoying, if they're angry, if they're rude, try to see it with compassion. They're going through a rough time and you can help them. Anyway, that happened by using the amazing system called Vulcan 7, which I use. It's a dialer, lead generation, and it's amazing. They have so many options, so many plans. You can do contract, no contract, so you can try them out. I'm gonna leave a affiliate link in there for you in the video description. Usually they have some sort of promo with that, 1 month, 1 free month, or half a month for free or something. So click on it, it'll be in the video description, and check them out. You can try them for a month or two, up to you. I tried them, I love them, and that's kind of the reason why I'm doing this, because I want to tell people that it works. It worked for me. If you know anybody else in real estate who might be interested in this kind of content or on the affiliate link, feel free to share this video with them. And if you like this video, like it, share it, subscribe. Stay tuned for more.